Welcome to the project demonstration of self-balancing robots. So here we are going to detect the platform like a balancing purpose. We are making use of one MEMS sensor, that is ADXL 345. So it should provide the analog output and it will be read by our PIC microcontroller, that's PIC 16F72 microcontroller. So this will take a decision to control the robot whether it should be rotated in forward direction or backward direction. Whenever we tilting this platform towards the backward, then the robot has to move forward to maintain the balancing of this platform or a robot body. And whenever we tilting the robot in forward direction, then it will move the backward side. So this will be achieved by the controlling the two DC motors which are attached to this robot body, and these motors are connected to the microcontroller through this L293D motor driver. So as we know that L293D motor driver can control the two DC motors in bidirectional at a time, and by taking the input from the PIC microcontroller. Coming to this motherboard, so we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply from this L293D motor driver because it consists of one 7805 regulator. So from this regulator we are going to provide the 5 volts. So it will take the 5 volts power supply and provide as a main source input voltage to the motherboard. Once it get the power supply, it start reading input from the input sensors MEMS and output modules, and it will control output modules of L293 motor driver. And on this motherboard there will be one reset switch. So this is the reset switch and one crystal oscillator. So the steel coated one is a 20 megahertz crystal oscillator, and the red color is going to be the power LED indication, and the green color is a program LED indication. It will blink 2 times when we switch on the kit. And coming to the main source of the power, so that is from the 12 volt 1 amp battery. So this is the battery pack of 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series. So each battery is of, as we said, 4 volt 1 amp are connected in series. We will get the 12 volt 1 amp, and which is a rechargeable battery. So to recharge this battery, just connect the B to the B here, and now just give the power supply to the system, and then we can see the one green light indication on this. So it's indicated as the battery is getting charging. So it will take 8 hours to be fully charged. Once the 8 hours is completed, you can disconnect the battery from the charging section, and now we can utilize that to on the switch. So this is the on direction and off. So when we switch on the kit, then there will be a light indication of 2 times. It's indicated as the program got started execution inside the microcontroller. When we tilting the platform slightly, then we can observe that the robot is rotating for the back side, right? And when it's rotating in the forward direction, so it is automatically balancing the platform by the self-balancing robot features. Right. Thank you for watching them.